Next up, we have the doors, and I'm going to sand and buff both of them. I'm gonna obviously do one at a time. So the passenger side down here right now. Probably can't tell in this video, maybe not. It's hard to see right now if you can notice, but it has a lot of dry spray, just like the hood was. I did the hood and the doors together, I'm pretty sure, if I remember correctly, and it was really hot, so it definitely died back after painting it in the garage. So there's a lot to sand out. There's a lot of dirt in this too. I guess I kind of forgot that there was so much dirt on the doors, but there's definitely a lot of dirt. So it's gonna take me a little bit to sand this down nice and good and get all the dirt out and have that nice shiny finish. But it's a nice flat panel. The only body line is up here, so I can sand everything really good and then buff it right on this stand flat. So it's gonna be very easy. It's gonna be a lot easier than doing it on the car, sitting down and doing it upright. So it'll probably go pretty quick once I sand it out. The new buffing compound I have in that new DA buffer works really good, so it probably won't be that big of a deal. But hopefully you guys can see some of the before shots, and then afterwards how much shiny it's going to be. I'm trying to get that reflection in there, but like I said, it's hard to tell right now if you guys can see it or not. But anyways, I'm going to get buffed on this. I'm going to hang it, and then I'll buff the other one. I'll hang that door, and then I'll put them together. That way they're on the car, and the car might get done soon. You never know. You never know. It's definitely getting there. I'm happy about that. I know I keep saying that in all my videos, but I am pumped to see this thing coming together. So I'm gonna get buffing, and hopefully I'll show you guys an awesome finished product. All right, guys, that is one door sanded and buffed. It looks pretty good. Can't say I'm perfectly happy with it, but it does look good enough for this car. I've spent a lot of time on this one door, probably way more than I should have, but it's at least nice and shiny. And once this thing starts getting driven, it's not gonna, be a show car. So it's not a big deal. So yeah, this door is all set and done. And so that's ready to go on. I'm gonna just bolt this thing on, and then I'm gonna start buffing the other door. I'm not gonna put this one together before I do the other one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one bolted on, and then sand and buff the other one, and then I'm gonna put them together. And this thing will really start looking like a Volkswagen. So stay tuned for that. Well, guys, that is one big step. I think it's been 3 years, 4 years maybe, since this thing's been complete as much as this. It's been at least a couple years. I'm saying 3 years. I might have to go back and look and let you guys know, but it's been a long time. I cannot believe what it looks like with that door on, with the fenders on. It looks like a Volkswagen, so that's pretty cool. Once again, I'm sorry that I got all this stuff in my way in the garage. It's another rainy day out there, so I can't bring it outside. But that is on there. It opens and closes pretty nicely. I'm not going to adjust anything. I put it on there so it wouldn't fall off, scratch anything, but I'm not going to adjust anything until I put all the rubbers on, because I know that that's going to make a huge difference in getting it lined up. So the gap might not be perfect up here, but I'm going to wait. But just seeing that on there like that is crazy. It really is. Put the doors on, the running boards, it's going to be almost complete. So very cool. Very happy. Like I said, it's been years since it's been to this point, and there's still a bunch of little things to do, obviously, and you know, I haven't even put the doors together, but it's getting so much closer. Looks awesome. Everything looks pretty good. The bodywork looks good. Looks pretty straight, I must say. But you know, I'll do better videos when it's outside in the sun and everything, when it's all said and done. But I'm gonna go get the other door, buff that one up, put that one on, and we're just gonna keep on rolling.